Hey, I'm Sarah. This is Behind the Design, and I'm sharing my top 3 favorite design features in each room from Sarah Off the Grid Season 2.
Let's talk about laundry. How do you feel about it? Do you like doing laundry? Do you hate doing laundry? Do you like to have a great laundry room? Well, I feel like if you have an efficient place to do laundry, you are more inclined to tackle that household chore. Me, I don't mind doing laundry. I kind of love that stuff goes in dirty and comes out clean, fluff and fold, wash and wear. That is completely my jam. So here are my favorite elements in this room, behind the design. Okay, first and foremost, let's talk about butcher block countertops. This is something I've been using for years, and it is an affordable, natural, and beautiful approach to countertops. Let's remember how deep your laundry machines are. So getting in-stock counters can be a challenge because those machines are so deep. The good news is these particular countertops come in a 36 or a 38-inch depth, designed to be used as an island top. So they are extra deep. So that's what you want to look out for. We mitered them around the washer dryer. Just set the washer dryer in place, mitered the counters around them. But then we had some leftover pieces. So you know what we did? We just kept reusing them. It's a shelf that holds all of the cleaning supplies, and it's also the folding counter in the window. Now that curvy window feature was already there, and we all loved it from the beginning, and nobody could figure out what to do with it until the very end. It became clear that it was going to be a great folding counter, and look, here it is. The other element that I am a huge fan of, it's a sort of a version of shiplap. It is an exterior plywood siding, but you can also use it inside. And why do I like to use it inside? Because there's no mudding and taping with drywall. And keep in mind that if it's going in a basement, what's great about this solution over drywall is it's not getting dinged and scratched. It is wood. Here's how I like to use it. Install it, then prime it. And what happens when you prime it is all the little textural bits kind of burr up, and so it's super rough. You could scratch your knuckles. Not really what you want. I'm going to just say this. Imagine if you were hanging pantyhose to dry in the laundry room. They would catch and snag. It would be game over. So I don't want you to have that problem. All you need to do is take a sander and give it a light sanding after you've primed it, then do your finish coats. What I love about it is it has texture. It gives that ode to rustic country styling that we love, that I love, modern farmhouse, call it what you will. This hits the nail right on the head and way groovier than drywall. Last thing, let's talk about storage, because I think one of the challenges lots of us face in trying to design an affordable yet chic laundry room is, cabinetry. It's expensive. Doesn't have to be expensive. These are actually living room components. All these pieces are cabinetry that's meant to make a media unit. I think each one was $32. I got 6 of them, and then I stacked them in 2 pairs of 3s. Lots of door options. You can tell a story with color. No, I did not custom paint these. This is important. I did not spend extra money painting these. I used them as is. So key factors in this laundry room: butcher block countertops, affordable and inexpensive cabinetry, and that awesome paneling. Go for it. Make your laundry room gorgeous, and then share some pictures with me. I want to see them.